Did you know that the tongue of a woodpecker can extend twice the length of its bill? This incredible adaptation allows woodpeckers to reach deep into tree crevices in search of insects. The woodpecker's tongue is not only long but also sticky, thanks to a specialized glue-like substance. This sticky tongue helps the woodpecker catch its prey with ease, even in hard-to-reach places. The woodpecker's tongue is also flexible and can move in various directions, allowing for precise and efficient feeding. With this remarkable adaptation, woodpeckers can thrive in their natural habitat, relying on their specialized tongue to find food. So next time you see a woodpecker in action, remember the incredible length and versatility of its tongue.